Hey guys, welcome back to KI's TV, and today I'm going to show you what I got on Amazon because I ordered something online because of the COVID-19. I don't really want to go on the road to buy nothing again, so I just keep on ordering things online. So yeah, so I purchased two wigs and a ring light, but I'm using the ring light now, so I'm not going to show the ring light. So I'm in Ochares right now. As you can see, I put out a video like I was in Conoco Falls, and I'm going today with my sister because she came down from Kingston. So guys, so yeah. Yeah guys, so you might see me and my sister put out the same video because we purchased the same things. So yeah guys, so let's get it started. So this is the box, and a box and this. So I'm going to start with this first. Yeah, so the black wig come with it. So this purchase this black wig. I'm going to try it on in a next video. So yeah, it have a little bang at the front, and then like the closure. See, so yeah guys, so it's nice, it's soft. Well, I'm going to try it on about the next like few days because I'm going to pull out these box braids. So guys, it's the first time I'm doing like big box braids because I normally do the small ones or medium. Yeah, so I know I ain't been doing any video for about the last 3 week, 2 week, or something like that. I don't really remember, but yeah. So I'm going to put back this black wig. It's black and brown, it's so nice. So now I'm going to open this box. So it came in about 2 days ago or something like that. Yeah, this is a pink wig. It's so nice. I like purple, but it's don't really want to take it out like that. But I'm going to try it on in the next video. It's so nice and soft, and it's sharp. People say short wig fit me more, so short hair fit me more. So I'm going to start doing. And some people say long hair fit me more. So I don't really know because I can't really do things off of what people says because yeah, so I just do what I like. So yeah guys. Oh yeah, and this is the wig cap I put on before. This came with the black wig. It's like a wig cap, and this came with the pink, like Miss. So with the pink wig, I get it came with 3 stickers. Let's see, and this. I'm going to use this one today because I'm going to follow my sis at Conoco Falls, so I'm going to use this one today. I'm not going to go in the water because it's cold. Don't comment that I'm nasty, but sure. And this one. So love you guys. And it came with a note. It said, "Hi, it's my honor to serve you. Thank you so much for purchasing at our shop with my best wishes." Yeah, and it came with eyelashes. Can see carefully. Yeah. So guys, I didn't purchase anything more. That's all I have for the video. So yeah. So I'm going to do a next video. Maybe you see my sister put up a vlog today at Conoco Falls because yeah guys, it's going to nice and thing. So yeah, I'm going to carry her on a tour today in Ocho Rios. So yeah guys, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe also. So I love you guys. Bye.